Hello, everyone. My name is Yesenia Rodriguez. I am from Peru and I live in Arequipa. I am 47 years old. I have a small family and enjoy spending time with them. I am friendly and responsible. I am very happy. Enjoy this office today. I like about me, I enjoy cooking, especially desserts. I am in always happy to share something sweet. I am big fan of salsa and bachata music. On the other hand, I don't really soda or iron clothes.